Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are building a bullish hammer. So we had a rejection. This low is not broken. You can see this low was rejected here, and then engulfing blue candle. Now bearish, now bullish hammer. So we are trying to go up. Coming back to daily chart, you can see this is your BOS, which has been broken. So this is your new high, new uptrend, pullback, and we should go up. Coming back to 4 hour, we are above the EMA. This is your rejection from the EMA. This is your entry candle. So you go long here. That's it. That's your long. So go and enter long and then do whatever you like. Look for longs, and that's it. So if you want precise entry, exit numbers and everything, check out the premium signal, subscribe, like, join free Telegram. We discuss everything in the beginning, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.